Fluid management. Red cells composed mainly of human stem cells, culture, vitamin B12, and 5-hyaluronic acid, strengthens the skin barrier, improves blood circulation, and improves the immunity. Continued usage improves healthy and elastic skin. So the culture medium of human adipose stem cells containing red cells has three abilities. So ito yung unique na ability ng isang ingredient natin sa red cell na nakakatulong sa skin scar surface natin. So I need to draw lang po para mapakita ko yung ability na yon ng human stem cell, adipose stem cell. So for example, ito po si stem cell. So first, they have the ability to replicate. So meaning, they can produce the same stem cell with the same shape, with the same structure or composition. The second ability is the differentiation from undifferentiated state, meaning ang undifferentiated state or cell, sila yung mga cells or tissues na wala silang specialized composition. So for example, nagiging ano po sila? Osteocytes, ano po ba yun? So yun yung mga cell natin sa buto. Tapos po yung ating cardiomyocytes in Tagalog, yan po yung mga muscle cells natin sa ating puso. And then the second ability, the differentiation, they can transform sa iba't ibang klase po ng tissue cells. Ayaw na iintindihan, itatagalog ko po parang ma-appreciate natin. So, magta-transform sila sa different tissues and cells. For example, the stem cell pa rin, right? With the same shape, with the same composition. Pero yung second ability, napupunta nagiging, kunyari, bone, nakakaroon po tayo ng mga bone cells. So, sa mga doctors, sila yung osteoblast, okay? So, hindi natin nalalitan, okay? Pwede po silang maging nerve cell, yung mga neurons sa ating brain. Okay? Sex cells or reproductive cell, alam niyo na po yun. Okay? And a lot more, marami pang cells. The third ability is the free tracking or ibig sabihin po, nakikita nila agad ang damage cell. So, ano ba ang, bakit ko kayo explain para malaman niyo po kung gaano ka-powerful cells. So, with those abilities, natatrack nila ang damaged cells. Once na makita nila po yun, lalo na po sa scar, and then kapag nag-inject na kayo ng red cell, talagang makikita po niya yung may aangat, naliit po yung size. Yung color, minsan pumapantay sa ating skin. So, those are the abilities. So, I hope na-intindihan nyo, kahit may isang drawing yung mga abilities ng ating stem cells, adipose cells for human, adipose cells. Okay, the next point is the ingredients. Tanggalin na natin yung whiteboard yan. Saka hindi nakikita. So, the main ingredients, so, the main ingredients po sa ating red cells, unang-una yung 5 fold of hyaluronic acid. Hindi na natin babanggitin yung mga 5 folds masyadong medical terms, but actually yung 5 folds, effective siya to moisturize our skin. So, paano ginagawa? Ina-attract yung moisture sa skin 6,000 times deeper with its molecular size. So, ibig sabihin, the smaller, mas lalo na-penetrate sa ilalim. So, kapag gumamit tayo, makita nyo agad, and on the same day, and right after treatment, talagang gawin siya. So, mamaya makikita nyo yun sa pagkikalas natin. So, the second ingredient ay niacinamide. Lahat naman tayo, alam natin na isa itong whitening ingredient na nakakapag-lighten ng dark spots. And it evens out skin tone natin po. Next is vitamin B12. Alam niyo bang red, so kaya red cell, yung red is actually the original color ng vitamin B12. So, isama na yun, okay? So, vitamin B12 nakakapag-fight ng skin natin and nakakatulong po sa inflammation, dry skin, and acne. Next po is stem cell growth factors. Ayan, marami pong klase yan. So, ito nakakatulong sa skin repair and skin rejuvenation. So, sodium ascorbyl phosphate vitamin C. Yan yung pong water soluble din, vitamin C na nakakatulong sa pagkain din. It boosts collagen production also. Next slide, please. Top benefits. So, maraming top benefits. Skin regeneration, promote cell growth, make your skin bright, excellent stress and alleviating inflammation, helps improve skin tone, anti-hair loss, etc. So those benefits, makikita na natin yan kapag nag-pay po tayo ng number one una, yung hair loss, gamit natin si Redsel. Large pores, kasi meron tayong mga gut factors na makakatulong inside skin. So, tapos make skin bright kasi nandun din si vitamin B12. And anti-hair loss kasi meron dong ingredient po na makakatulong sa pagpapalusok ng hair follicles natin. Basta yung skin environment or scalp environment is healthy using those 5 folds of hyaluronic acid na bibigay ng moisture. Next slide. So, method for red cell. Best method, intradermal. Best method, intradermal injection. Usually, ang syringe size is 30 or 32. Epidermal depth is 1 to 2 mm. Tapos, ilalim ng ating eye and forehead and cheeks. So, administer 0.02 to 0.055 cc at each injection point. Distance between per point is 0.5 to 1 centimeter apart. So sa skin yan, ano? So, kailangan i-assess natin yung skin. So, minsan, nagkakaroon din naman ng pagkakamali kapag sa injection. So, para hindi naman tayo, makaiwas tayo ron. So, bigyan natin ng distansya. Kasi kapag dikit-dikit, siguro dikit-dikit na nag-inject ng fluid. So, di ba, pwede silang mag-join and alakan ng ano, no?